Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing the fake iPhone 15 Pro Max so you do not get scammed in the market whenever you try to purchase a new iPhone 15 Pro Max. This phone actually looks good. From the side view, the camera here as you can see, here the view. This phone actually looks good. This guy, let me take it to a quick review so you can know this phone whenever you are buying it. So I'm trying to save you not to get scammed from the market as you can see. It's come like it is real, but I set it up. You check for the country which I'm in. Right now I'm trying to set up this phone. You check for my location. You have to set the language, which you set it on English, United States. And then we see that the country region. Right now I'm recording this video from Montreal, so I'm going to set it on Montreal. Please, I want to help you so you do not get scammed in the market. Because most of these phone put $10,000 into it, but it's in the supermarket. Please, see this one actually comes with a pack also with a video. So let me start you check quick for the country. Again, I use in Nigeria, so I'm checking the screen. United States, set it up. Just keep it on. Set up. Another device. Now we play yes. Continue. I'm trying to settle this one even work. The jack jam, that shit is work out. It's actually fake. But now, what the iPhone. Now this is a 15 Pro Max. As you can see, it's actually cracked. But I'm driving it. Let's see how this thing real quick. Wow, it's just open. So we're going to set up the space. See what's no cloud. Check out the about. To see the storage 15 hours 17. Wow, this big one I just look at. I got 512 gig as you can see. Let's check the battery health. Wow, man, this one I just saw the battery health. This big look really good. This one look good. Let's see if it's the first 5%. This one should have 5%. Wow, man, this one actually look good. You cannot even tell if it's fake or real. Let's see if the face out is pick up. Let's start it. Wow. It's out here. It won't work. It's just fake as you can see. I got it. Let's try the ringtone. Let's try the ringtone. Wow, it actually worked. The ringtone actually worked, guys. Now, guys, let me tell you something. This one actually checked an IMEI address. You see update and request and send and return. But do not get scammed by history. It is still fake. It doesn't mean it is original. Now let me show you something that makes this one actually fake. One of the things. Now listen guys, an original iPhone never come with on Play Store. An iPhone on Play Store actually fake. Dude, this one looks really good. Why is it good? Please take note in the market so you can let that screen. I love you guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See more videos like that. I'm trying to train you and get this scam in the market out there. Please, I love every one of you guys. Please make sure you subscribe. Turn on the notification button. I love you. Okay. Go there. Goodbye. You try to offer the food from me. Now let me see. Wow, this photo to a screenshot. I'm trying to offer food. Wow. Thank you guys for subscribing. bag of it looks real, guys. You see the bag of the phone, the camera, everything.